Just a quick PSA video. Look how worked these cards are getting in my room. Jeez, what the hell? This is the oversized cards, whatever. Quick return, I just got my PSA box. Got some sadness right at the start. I don't know, this card was looking real mint when I bought it. So I don't know what held it to an 8. I thought I was going to get a 9 at least. It's very strong potential for a 10. So whatever. This card is sick. It's too bad it ain't worth shit. Sick card nonetheless. Alright. We'll pull out the stack. We'll pull out the stack. Oh, that's just sexy right there. Got a 10 on these hard ass fucking promos. What the hell? Who's handling these fucking cards, man? It's on the case, you can tell. It's like a scratch. It's only on the case. It's weird. Beautiful card. Let's keep our 10s on this side. It's a little bit of a bummer. I don't know, I think that this one had a better shot at a 10 than the other one did. That's for sure. The other one came back at 10, but this one's a little bit off-centered from top to bottom and left to right. Stupid cards love to shift. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so bottom-heavy, like to shift. It's weird. Go Lurk alternate art. Pretty cool. The 10. The Duraludon. So in the 10. Alternate art. Tocopisco. The French card I got from an English Hidden Fates ETB. Came back at 10. I don't know why. I just had to send it in. I don't know. Just because it was a French card in my English ETB. So this got a 10. The last one came back an 8. This one obviously was so much better than the last one, but so happy this came back at 10. Looks really good. Beautiful. Another beauty right there. The full art in a 10. Really good. Really nice. This is a bummer. And the centering on this one was pretty damn good, I thought. I wonder what held it back from a 10. I really don't know. It looked pristine. Like I wouldn't know what held it back from a 10. I don't know. I would love to resubmit this one in the future because I just don't see anything wrong with it. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. That was another beauty. The full art. I love these full arts. I'm happy that a lot of them came back at 10 for me. The Noivern. Love this card. You can see that it's fucked up in there though. Is it going to shift? No, it's not going to shift, but the way they put it in. Well, where they put it in is, I don't know who's sonically sealing these. I don't know who's grading them. I'm starting to wonder if it's all like shipped to India or something and then back. Like I'm not like I don't know what else to say. This Crobat from Lost Origin 10, pretty sick card. Ain't worth shit, but I liked it. That's why I sent it in. If I like a card, I'll probably send it in. The Flareon alternate art from yeah. These cards will be pretty hard to get in a 10. There's some, they're crisp, not the crispest corners, but everything else looked really good on this card. I'm glad they came back at 10. Here's another one in a 10. Here's a 9. It's a little sad, man. This one getting a 9. It's a little off center though. Here's a 6. I don't fucking understand where the 6 came from. I can't distinguish a dent, and usually for a 6, there has to be like a dent. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not seeing it. I know this one's a little off center, but a dent I don't see, or a big scratch, or a print line going up and down. I know we'll bring it down to a 6. Maybe they were, maybe it's supposed to be a 9 because they held it upside down. I don't know. Would have much preferred this to be a 9 because I don't know what they saw. You would think in a 6 that would be very visible. I have another 6 Espion alternate art that's a 6, and I can't find a visible mark on it either. Here's a 10. That's sick. I love these freaking cards. These promos, they do well. Over 100 something dollars. The Jolteon got a 9. This Jolteon got a 10. So it's pretty cool. Me likey. And the last card is another Jolteon. Got a 9 though. That's it. I didn't do too bad. 14 out of 21 cards came back at 10, which is pretty good. So, not upset. I ain't upset at that one. I'm upset at these warped ass cards though.